up my people, welcome back to the channel. So I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. I'm a people, me just hear the news, me just see it and thing. So Diamond in the hospital my people. Me not lie. Why my people from where they are, Diamond like she never 100 cars. Them a cuss her say she might go down and a bunch of other things. You see me I say. So I hope say you know, we are going to listen and hear what them have to say about the situation here, man. Because figure it out, come talk about it. And I think we also have Shiba that say some things about it too. You see me? We also have Rosealee, my people. A done happy wife. You see me? I say. And we also have Sky Diamond. Say somebody come in, tell her something about Rosealee. Say Rosealee must say pay money. Put money upon rare get dash or whatever. You see me I say, so me I go make you hear that what go on there so seeing. I think we also have the Lion Man my people and GX and you know what I mean. We have some other things where we have a share, me no remember. So make we kick it off for people and get in it. So we're gonna hear another intro and I go see another video and maybe we even add more things as we go on. So make we get in it.
Me know people are all 50 still live with them parents. Give me a chance. Me never gonna live as a forever. Me born in a poverty. I'ma come here and hustle. You can't have your one money and go pay blood clot rent. You soon live out a door. I'ma tell you this. It's someone who pay ya. That's why you're not gonna like me. Wanna live for the moment. You can't live for the moment. Happy wife, me have a plan. Me don't want to tell you say you suck out no old man. I don't want to tell you say you keep yourself as a mess. I don't want to tell you mind blood clot, bed sore, you know. Me not go along and tell you about your fault. Come here, happy wife. You as a woman have masters in a degree and physical and psychology. You're supposed to know say when you start make one look change, you have to see it first and get your head space together, then you carry on your journey, your duty. Nobody not have them one money on go parent. Nobody not have them one money on go buy a car. Me no know about nobody else. Me not have my one money on go parent. Me not have my one money on go buy a car. Me not have my one money on go do my hair. As a true person, human being, you have to save what you have, get the expect together and carry out your plan in your brain. You have to work smart in a life, no off move. You understand? Me have to work smart in a life, me can't work off move upwise. Me can't run go left first because me have a look blood clot change. When you look now, me running a rent house and bills kill me. Me don't know how to pay my bills. Me no worries. Me have to do extra work over and do extra argument to people look close to get views and followership. Because me have bills to my neck. Don't worry about me, pray for me, dirty woman. Me no want class you, no, come see a church job. Me no want class you. Cause you supposed to be and stink like me. You supposed to be and stink more than me, cause one place you lie down every day. Your bedroom no go turn in a bed sore. You live Canada where L clear. You live Canada come to Jamaica. Where L clear are far and better. Come to Jamaica, I know them no wrong with you. Them don't know why you not walk. Come and follow up your story. Them don't know what I'm to you, and them don't know why you not pussy clot walk. Me could have never left. Foreign for come to Jamaica health care. You not sit up there in my business. Don't worry about me. I could even be blood clot 40-year-old. I would that. I want more. Hey. Me so come to your big boss. Yes. Dan man. Sad old man. Me no really want to go down the tables and turns with you. Release me, relax. Me nah make none of uno do. Me nah make none of uno. Me nah make none of uno. None of uno tell me for the pan in it. Me rather uno say me a cough more than for blood clot. Say? Me rather uno tell me say me a blood clot cough. You can't know my plans. I hold upon uno. Did come here come tell me say me a blood clot cough. I'ma buy a car in a one go. You can't know my business. Tell me say me a blood clot cough. Rum, me up on the road, you know. We not stay here too long. I bet wanna tell me say me a cough. When you can't know my blood clot business. Me ain't a move story, don't you, man? It ain't a move story. Who tells you I plan for blood clot move? But me not gonna have one money I move. Me have to find my way out when rent come to pay all the rent or pay. You think I wanna come laugh over me and say blood clot she move and she can't find her rent? You wanna come laugh over me? Blood clot. I'm going on the. I got a meeting 2:30, so I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go by.
In 4 minutes.
Somebody, I'm gonna do a meeting. I'm gonna do a meeting. I can't say what it is here. I'll put them first. I'm gonna do a meeting about the next 4 minutes. The person called, and I'm gonna go on the road after that. So I'm not ignoring you. I'm just gonna be. I'm just not gonna be.
Thank you for not ignoring me.
I was gonna text you back.
You be ignoring. You be leaving me on delivered.
No.
You be ignoring me.
You crazy.
You would never ignore me. You would never ignore me, right?
Nigga, please. Never.
Alright, then let's run it later then.
I'm gonna call you.
Alright, call me or text me, okay?
Okay.
Alright, bye.
Okay. Hey. Fine, man, this one takes it from the saw. Why me, oh Lord? Why me? Call a man here. I said, I come back to Jamaica, I forgot about my business. But what you do? You know something about me, I move. Man, come out of my business, man. How would this boy do me? Man, somebody, no, like. Man, I cry. You see a man come and marriage rice full. What the fuck is this man at? Weird. Man down pan blood.
My people, want to tell me in the comment section, right? If you feel like say Rosealee should I respond to Apple wife or should I ignore her? So I say, seeing that she's a person where physically right now she know 100% and she a go through whatever she a go through. See, tell me if you feel like Rosealee should I ignore her and don't respond to her. Rosealee have all the right to do whatever. Hear what me say? Me say, you see whatever a person they show they must can take. You see me? And even if the person choose to give more than what you dish out to them, you're not supposed to have a problem with it. You see me? Because of you first. And on a level of people, me know say Apple wife know what she do, know what she has say. She have sense and she do it purposely to get engagement. So me I say, so even the Kim King situation when Mrs. She and Kim King they on live show things and something and Kim King say, you are going, me now go class you no more and you don't class me. You know what she said to Kim King? Kim King for doing thing whatever she never agreed to that because she knows that she go class him because the reason why she do it to get engagement or whatever monetary gain she get with that. You see me I say? So she know what she do. So whatever Rosealee say, Me not wrong with Rosealee. Let me know what you think.
Clot me. Rose a big thing. Happy wife destiny. She just don't pour me blood clot, so. You know me eat when I pick up for you in the month. We don't want to don't pick up for me. Because me now make you can't know my plans. You know if I look house, you know some about me. What the blood clot thing I gotta do? Come waste my blood clot time. I want me all like blood clot you. And I shit up like you. Me now want to wipe my bottom. Where you pity them there? Me want me all like you. And I shut up like you. And they one place like you. Me have caretaker wipe out my body hole. That's what I'm saving for. Me want me all like you. Me can't live somewhere like you. Like how you own a house and live somewhere like you. And that me a safer. Come lick out my pussy with a straw. You're too enough. Or long time still married or. I'm all like you. Me get someone to wipe up my back team. Me not feel call one man. And I complain. Well, not if I am not blood clot though. Cause we can't see those your kids are around you. And the last time I don't want to go down on something. Man arrest me blood clot, you know. Come here now, go blood clot, do this. Can't ever in a people blood clot business, I don't know. No. Only ever in a people blood clot business, I don't know. Phone no one. Me a come off a ground sidewalk selling with the blood clot me can do. I have one look at church and make it turn me in a main cake. Is me a mascot? Me a come from poor poverty when me a sleep on blood clot ground. Me can have one look at blood clot church and make it turn me in a main cake. What about tomorrow? What about the future? Me not big pussy woman. I'ma tell you this. When you're pussy and choke back big like my one. Me not live. Me not live. Me not live cause me like hype. Me live for the future. Me not live cause me not live for the moment. Me live for the future and beyond. Me not live for now. Me I live here in 2020, 30, 2025. That's how me live. So me think ahead. My mind small. Like you have one money. We could have one money and you one party I go keep. And me take my one money go party brother and a blood clot go. Come on, I miss nothing out there. And keep my money. Thinking woman. You now nobody on social media can't know my business. Come suck me. I regular them tell me say me a cruff and I accept it. Because when they cannot know my business. Nyam out my wall. This man left me look like me a blood clot cry. Me look like me just bomb me a blood clot by a car. Instant. Thinking woman. I mean a blood clot there with the camera. I'm in 2 blood clot 30, you know. And people are come to me. I mean, want them see me come to me. I buy Staros. So I'm gonna pop my blood clot back. I thought I get class monitor. Pop my blood clot back and I go about my business. No, I'm for class, you know, dirty woman. Me tell you, I'm in blood clot move. Oh, me know me want me need to tell you that. Me know you pick me. But big stinking cow. Me say all wheel. Me don't like because I'm not like I can come suck me with a straw. You don't like nobody can lie on one place and can't move. So I'm miserable. You tell you worry about Rose. You tell you worry about Rose. I don't live now, we go worry about bed sore, I go take you. Because me can come off of my bed as big as me be. And bed sore and nice. And you have some little round bump on you, we go itch you, we go turn in a sore, we worm, like magic or drop out. Worry about your bed sore, no worry about me. How someone doesn't live for chat. Me a whole argument stinking, woman. Me for class here, you know. Oh. Why do you hurricane Nika shot? Not send them, that's why you can't send a message to me. Not send a message to me, dirty woman. Me ain't a blood clot friend, you know if I'm the way. Avoid me bumble hole. Alright. gonna look for my pity them. Me I leave ya so. For my blood, I'm like a key there. My blood clot bag was somebody give me latte down a town, big up our clean self. I look for my cigarette. Me I carry my rum. I have to drink on the way journey. I'm a blood clot purse. A man say I come blood clot check me. I go call one of my good friend. You're too blood clot. So I got this woman here. You only a friend. What's so fascinating about Rosealee blood clot while? Where say? Me I come out Victoria and strong the blood clot. Flawed. You can't study me. Cause my name Mrs. Unpredictable. Nobody not predict nothing but me. I can't tell myself I do this and I don't fucking do it. And I can't tell myself I'm not do see my blood when you're Mrs. Unpredictable. I'm always going flawless, bitch. You can't know my business. They feel like me a mascot. Nobody in the world can know my business but me. Me want to tell you what I want to tell you. You can't know nothing about me. Cause me a dash a 40 bill and me know you know me no must talk. Wait, I mean yam them. You can't know my business dirty woman. You understand what I say? Alright. Trying to get class man into she say. So I got spend some time with her. I go around the road, go look at me see her. I'm a purse. Class man she say she get. She come show me the badge. She not go on bad in her school and dirty blood clot woman. Eh? Me a pin for blood clot take care. Me have things for blood clot do. You come I still live with the mother. I'm a catch her same way, yes. The world never did blood clot, know that. Catch her and save. So if me a move a morning, me can go buy one new bed.
One negligence and una real up them lodi. Oh, them lodi slip on our own. Them not even have friend on the road. I they should have stairs a secret. Yeah. Them a get on I now up show and rest. Sister Winnie show and rest. Let me tell you this, people. I'm not gonna like you the harsh truth. You said them they dropped down this morning and dead. I wouldn't feel no way. Want me tell you why I wouldn't feel no way, people? And it's so rough though, all because you don't know Diamond. But nevertheless, I don't care about you. It's when you stand up and see somebody glorify them body. Remember Diamond have subject, she not have wealth, she not have health. The only thing she have is a surgery. And she walk and she turn. And you see the first thing we get attacked, her watch the worship, and it get attacked. Diamond suck down some. And it get attacked and no for wanna sit down here so Sharon and don't see it. No for wanna sit down here and don't see it. Diamond walk and worship her body and forget her health. I'm not ask you know. Then me for sit down here so. Diamond grandma. Diamond granny and Diamond make night you.
Alright, my people, with Diamond, I don't know what I'm going with her. More sure a speedy recovery, although I got here figure it out officer because I think I him bring her to hospital, you see me, and me I go talk about like the moments leading up to she going to the hospital or something. You see me, but here I go my people, you see the older you get in a life still, some people body breakdown worse than some. You see me, because you have people. Remember, say Diamond them a go road right through the man. You see me, I say friend Diamond them young Diamond them a go road and I do them thing right through. You see me, you have people where them have one lifestyle where them a do friend them a look up it go straight. Not really look up it like when them reach adult or something, go straight back till them all are big old people. You see me, and them not change them routine or nothing, and them live and them good. But you have some people where when it come to certain age, them have to stop certain things to them do because if them body, you know what I mean, get affected by them lifestyle or them job or whatever. You see me I say? So me don't know what I go on with them and my people, but I wish her a speedy recovery. As me I say, we are going to hear for her figure it out the moments leading up to she going to the hospital. You know what I mean? So we are going to listen some more what she about to say. And then we move on to the next.
The first thing attack is that shape. Them I can't take a picture without. Yeah. A long time you talk to them. Diamond not thank God today, they say she live like you so and for reach you so. She not thank God enough to say her body at her age can't look at. She not thank God for nothing. Young boy want me. Remember me little girl? Yeah, me the older man with the little girl body. Young boy want me. And you can't keep her man. Oh God, don't, this boy is so disgusting. Now I'm speaking the truth. When you worship a suck down and me for saying yourself, on my fridge top with my burnt products, and say, oh my God, Daima, please. No, Daima, you God visit. You know how much people want God visit them? You know how much people today would like a word from God? You know how much people today, Daima, would need a word from God, and you got a word, and because of material things in your life, you still hang on and not check by your health. Go on, your lady. That's when I tell people say, that because you see them out the road look nice and sexy and shape good, that not say them healthy. I always tell on that. I always tell on that. The same one I never do say, Miss Tripler take batty body. I always tell on that. I always tell on that. See me and come live with me are two different things, but no, I do not hear that. At the end of the day, what it profit a man to give this world and lose his soul? Remember saying that Diamond make them boy a user, go and user come in and she and them walk by yourself. Your body tired lady. From me a little girl, I run up and down in my panty with a frill. Diamond jump out a tree in a dance hall. Diamond roll in a dog shit. You don't think I lie? Diamond them a jump in a rubbish pan. From me a little bit of girl come. Diamond want lay down. At the best, if Dr. have Diamond for 2 days, at the best Diamond ever I got be. At the best Diamond ever got be. She want to lay down. If I buy wheel, I buy gangster granny. Yeah. If I buy wheel, I buy force. I tell you that this every day. Jesus have mercy. Be careful, oh God, seek your attention. So if I prank her true, I don't care. My emotion remain the same. Yeah, it's true. What it profit a man to give this whole world? Diamond, I say anything at all you worship in a life, you shall lose it. You're the only granny when I see that man. Yeah. I look good and healthy. With a don't talk. You look good and of course God play rough. Gangsta granny, big up yourself. Yeah. No, it's true. When people talk, when I say, Diamond forget anything what she get. Anything I tell with Diamond get, she forget it. I don't feel nowhere, people. Me numb towards this. I don't feel nowhere. Anything Diamond get, she will take. I don't feel nowhere. And if I prank, me glad them use she as a sacrifice. Coming soon to a theater near you. Me glad. Then Diamond from you their road until now and your blood little bit. And you don't love tell people about bring blood result come. And who for bring blood result come? See them there. See them there. Yeah, blood for blood, see there? Blood for blood. See there, blood for blood, and the like tap about blood. Yeah man, see there? Bring the blood work come. Not for only need for bring on the blood work come, you know? You never know. You never know. No for uno. Carry bless.
People, let me know what you think. We can watch some more and then we are going to move on to the next.
Yes. Yeah. Carry bless. So no fun to leave for bring blood work come. No fun afraid for God the doctor. Me not ask for no. No pound of free for God the doctor. When them are gonna lay down now for what them call anemic. When them are gonna lay down, them will find out the amount of complication that they will find from Daima. She have to come out and wrap her head. She got in her head now. Yeah, man. Yeah. That day. You know why I said Daima forget it? Everybody will try correcting Daima. You blow up on them. Are you? Me don't want to tell me no. Me don't want to tell me no. Everybody will try give their word of encouragement or advice. You blow up on them. You are so you stay. I saw you stay. And then people are going to say, why are you kicking a man when he's down? Now you've been talking to the man while he was up. So your story don't change. Whether he's up or down, your story don't change. No, favorite is true. Your story never changes. So we don't know what people are going to say. Remember saying, you use material, literally, not metaphorically. You use material. All the way every time when we love party in a diamond. You see you know you're old. And for me, a little girl that wear the little Sunday school panty them with a frill at back. You know Daima has been going to functions. Daima, you can't stop now. You can't stop now. Your body never tell you yet, say, you hate this life now, or I am bored. No, something wrong with you. You know the funny part about life? If Daima is on a sick bed and pray for healing right now and get it, I figure it out, them and get the prayers. Them boy are stuck up in the hospital. Them boy are in the hospital bed with me. Oh, I mean, the bed in the hospital. Oh, come with it in the them boy alone to see. Yeah, anytime. That is why I am very peculiar about, oh God, and Lord, heal them quickly. I am very peculiar. You know why? Because at the end of the day, a man get the praise. A man get the glory. You never know that? Me dey come a bed and my friend no come check me. Me don't like her. How could I hate her? No, she can't come. She just can't come. Suppose she don't like hospital. So I know enough people say when I say Jesus peace, the boy I don't have no heart. A heart me have and the truth me attack. Whatever you glorify, me stand up and I want to see it save you. Whatever you glorify, I could have your shape, I could have your beauty, I could have your vehicle, I could have your business, I could have cash. There shall be no other God before the true and living God. And you now realize it, God still run things and will forever run things. We now want, like said, the Obia man can do it better because we now live for now. Yeah, we're not just living for now and not living for whenever. And that's not a problem. And enough people depend, oh my God, did you hear what happened to Daima? I mean, no one hear anything happened to Daima, it's supposed to happen to her. Anything happened to Daima, it's supposed to happen to her. Remember them hand dirty. Remember them hand dirty, them mind dirty and them heart black. Anything happened to them, supposed to reach them. Me stand up and say Daima glorify her body. And me stand up again and see what she glorify her shrink. And nobody said anything to the lady. So on to that. Me I lose weight because I'm under little stress. Yes, you're lying. You're lying. You're losing weight because you're unhealthy. Una like the undiluted word of Almighty God. Una want people dress it up and say, oh my, Daima, if sick not care, doctor don't care. Me not see why me should over here and say, oh, your mama. You must be mad. Not me. What you mean figure it out, talk too much, you never need to broadcast to the lady in the hospital. Yeah, well like you never welcome the news, why you never deaf yourself on your ear? Everything they bring on social media, why you never deaf yourself when you hear figure it out attack? You are thoroughly entertained by gossip, but yet still you want pick, choose and refuse what you listen to. You're still under the umbrella of gossip. So we're not coming to try change the narrative. No, you and I happy so we're here that we get information on what is happening behind the scenes. If them can bring them reality to us, we want to know if a superstar sick or them healthy. Show off. So we are saying no make no sense. True, you're a woman, you come around up your mouth, and that with no for a big old girl. You never sit down yet as a woman to woman and say, hey, check about your health. Diamond, are you healthy? You never yet say that, but you want accuse, figure it out now. Not accuse, you want blame, figure it out now for taking a story. Figure it out, chat everything, so we never expect nothing more, nothing less. That's why I say someone to chat, and you chat too much. You never have to type without understanding. Make your typing necessary. You live in the public, you expect to share everything. The public will source you out. Once you're in the public eye, true or false. Come on, not show a female who don't want to use gender. Go suck out whatever affect Diamond. Yeah, I mean I like stupidity, you know. So they might say me ignorant, but one of the ignorant folks, you know. Because you never have to type that. It has nothing to do with figure it out. Her health has nothing to do with figure it out. Why you not say Diamond big and careless for no say she unhealthy and a patrol night view? Why you never say that? Everybody knows say if you don't rest your body, it will rest you. But you like to talk. You chat too much. You chat too much. Sometimes them can't put them words together like it and make sense, you see, and it's rubbish. Utter rubbish. You sit down and watch Rosealee, who overweight, oversized, shape bad, coming like cow doo-doo. You sit down and watch her drink how much Red Bull pan life. No, it's not healthy for her. You ever text in and comment yet and say, girl, you need to stop drinking those stuff. You're afraid you get black. So shut your shit and go suck your woman.
Alright, my people, let me know what you guys think. I'll make you watch some more.
You come at her, but figure it out, never need to come and say anything. Yes, you never need to come at all. You never know that. Why you never tell Diamond say, Diamond go rest before you start say figure it out, never need to come. Yeah, over here them want come chat. Over here them want come on up them stinking mouth. Over here. It's true. Over here so them want come. Remember, I'm not buying to people, you know. I'm not buying to people. I'm not buying into people. Me say Diamond sit down. Pan the lights. If Diamond never drop down people. So come here. If Diamond no say she anemic. And Diamond come on live and say I stretch the under. Make sure I lose weight. Come here. It's not to the painting spell of Pala Diamond. It's not to the make me serve my correct. Diamond would have operate like she diabetic. Because when you're anemic, it makes you weak non-stop. It makes you it mash something mash you up. Exactly favorite, but she never wanna hear. Why me not, don't block the person here, don't block this person. Why you not mind your business? My business there for your son would my baby. Your son cocky and mind my business. So me not have to mind my business. Somebody I carry me sin for me. What you say again? Thank you, make you dizzy. And that me say, so she must have been going through all of this. Take time with the woman and go mind your business. You see, because you are the woman enemy, you never tell her to go check on her health. So woman to woman, come suck out my bottom. Yeah. So when you come over, you come say, what do you want? When you come over, you come say, you not say nothing. You not say nothing. Yeah. You not talk all I know, my baby. We know where you block them for Lord Jesus. I'm going to enjoy myself with them in a winning. So, yeah. And this is the problem lies. You see people like these, you see people like them here, make them come back and give man praise and glory. Because they don't hold them accountable for what is right. Which is, if you don't love them, you need to tell them the truth. Diamond, if you didn't pan ice this morning, you wouldn't even get 9 days, like when World Dog get bite from Biggs. You wouldn't even get 9 days. People would have come out and said them did know, and a long time God I warn you. So anything you get, you take. Anything you get, you take. Yeah. You can't tell them I said B2 can't help her. Because the moment you hear that you start near liver, kidney, callaloo, fish, you go by your beetroot raw. Me that like the beetroot so that think of apple. Me not ask you, them are old girl, them are older than Jamaica. She's supposed to know the herbs them. Me not ask you that. So Diamond is just packed with negligence and a focus on wealth. Diamond is blinded by material things, so she ignore herself. You ever tell me say them so good girl in a dance hall and I walk and take young boy. Now go downtown, go buy a couple of vitamins. If I eat the little round brown one them so where you can't hardly see. Down to the rat shit them pan Rosealee dildo bigger than them little brown vitamins there. Who know them when you piss Lord Jesus and I need them moly. I need them moly man, eh? Then you ever tell me all of that? Them I know how much brand and she don't know brand medicine. She don't know brand vitamins. And she know how much brand. She know all of the brand them and she know she a hot girl. And she know she look good. And she know her body stay right. And she don't know how it a function on the inside. Them I look like she not even eat properly. She isn't eating properly. And you can't tell me say the lady I eat properly. You cannot tell me that because enough of you don't know about home management. Because you don't live nowhere, even though you have an address and a bed. You don't know home management. You can't stay there. Winnie should not learn because she's blinded. She's blinded by the things of this world. Call a spade a spade. You see, remember telling us something people who don't like when preachers say preachers are true word power now. Guilty conscience speak louder than vice. You get what me I say? It is your body. It is at the end of the day. You see when TikTok locked down, you only have yourself. And you see when time this up gone, and enough of we now have nothing, not even our own image. When people tell us that them are deny Christ and them no want Jesus Christ, you no want hear, you no want see it for yourself. When people say, you say you say, alright, me always say this.
Me not sure about tomorrow, but you come talk about. You don't know, cause you know we're afraid to spend your money on yourself.
That
you're
is
afraid.
it. That is it.
You're afraid. But you know what? Go back, go spend peanut. You should have owned the whole of blood clot down and was about them sell peanut.
And not
not
even that,
right?
you should have- yeah, that is right,
Peanut.
you're
You should have
right.
go flip the money. You depend on people. That's why you're afraid. You
man.
have to take $1 and turn in a $10
Yo.
each. That's why
Now
you're
you have
afraid.
your name, the woman
You're
come to me
lazy.
now.
You know, I come here, but you know, they're near Rosealee, you're near, but you know what?
No, I mean, listen now, I mean, they go fear down our yard one time. I mean, you put out which I was just talk about.
Yeah, me know, and last time I had you up here.
Leave me alone, Sky man. I go, I'll be up here.
Rosealee have money, where Rosealee have money,
Look like
and
we
have
on the
good
floor.
time.
Rosealee, sit up and
Oh, mute up, we can't hear the
Girl, then if me
Yeah,
afraid
yeah,
I would go our yard.
Rosealee neighbor.
No, I'm not afraid.
Munta, we have 100 US and 100 pound. We want the address.
What kind of address?
Where
The
you talk
address in
about
Rosealee.
Yes, Muta, you come at this matter. Hey, you know I'm gone.
Muta stay, me already have an address with him.
Listen to me now. I'm gone, bye.
No, where you go? Jesus Christ.
Where she
Who she see and gone? Who she see while I go Muta? A Rosealee neighbor. You don't know her.
No, sir, me no know. We never know who what this shit.
A Rosealee neighbor. Somebody from TV she see and come out her box.
They should have DM her half yard. They shouldn't put her on.
Oh, she said she soon come.
So come, yeah, me, I come free her. Me know her Rosealee.
Yeah, well, that's how much. You get about 30, 40,000
It's all
and
for local,
45,000. And we make it up too. Once it cut off tonight, 100 more go up on it.
That is it.
Show Rosealee when girl have money or work. The girl say, oh, you have to work smart. But for God, they like, you really? When you have money, what you do? Live up your life. Live your best blood clot life. Because you know, show it tomorrow. Make sure you have a life insurance.
That is it. Talk it
Because
to
that
them,
is a
yeah.
must. Sometimes them say, oh, you take out a life insurance for your 8-year-old. Oh, what the fuck? Me too feisty because me not blood clot beg nobody say, my pitney dead. I not more than
Yup.
for you crazy? Me that is a must. The man say she too hype and she don't have no money for you. You mad? You think me I put up no GoFundMe? You must clap mad. Rosealee. How would you start eat lobster?
Literally. And get the taste of steak.
You don't even know if you eat it. You try it like a cocky atra. I can't stand the big old pig.
Me cannot stand her. Every time she see me, every time I see her, she just make me stomach turn her.
You want to say she brush the bang look a while. I brush.
Well, people, me not lie still, you know, although anything goes when it come to war, you know, my people, and you're a person and a friend and a at it and them something there. But me don't like people love to tell people, say, yo, you just a this or you just a that. Like say, the world now they have everybody to explore and full joy. And I know everybody are gonna get the same time for full joy. Some now gonna get for full joy some of the things them where others get for full joy because them now gonna reach that point there in them life. Them now gonna have that money there for full joy themselves, them type of way there. You see me? And the people them will just start earn some money with them can full joy life. You gonna use that for try shame them. Say you just a this or you just a that. You know what I mean? We are all human beings. You see me? I say anyway a person reach, a next person can reach there. And it no matter when them reach there, them dead there. You see me? So let me know what you think, make you watch some more.
That's not even a banging. Her little banging. Her crooked banging. That ear doesn't know
take liberty at
that ear doesn't know like
when
her
Rosealee
one
come
bit.
for girl, you know. It's embarrassing because Rosealee now in a nobody class we are disrespect them. Nobody class. Crazy. You lock off your little light. Eh?
I could
And in
never
the
be so
woman
heartless to
house.
somebody,
Yeah,
especially
in the
my
woman
own mom.
house, you set her pity them for her, you set the baby father for, and then turn on the light for people laugh off of them.
And it's so crazy too. She be bugging out when people talk about the same family members them that
And then
be
she
talking
come
shit about.
innocent. Oh, I'm not bad man. You see who's the trouble? And she one
So
and she
why are
make
you here, Carol?
Yo, and then the pan I send Pierre out and God got you. God know who him forgot. God no got you none at all. Akeem got you cause you go sink. You go drop. You go fail, bitch. God no got you.
First of all, if God got her, something wrong with this life. You hear me tell you, something would definitely be wrong with this life because ain't no way any God up above would have sit down and uphold any behavior that she's
She
portraying out here.
always do the things and come in front of the screen and she swing and she go on and she ready for cry and you're evil, you're devil.
It's always the evil people who are the most religious. That me preach to.
Demon sperms bring you. Demon
always
sperms.
I call upon God and know they say the darkness in a fear
heart.
Because I would never, no matter how vex me be in a life with anybody, would I never look on them in my house and say I'm gonna shut off the light pan.
You picking them you can't get
that's
up and
wickedness,
put on
man.
someone
She
you
do too much now.
Parents teacher meeting but you reach up a blood clot hospital for anybody, man. Shit up. And whatever, like them big cow on the chair. You can't go. You can't go there, so. You can't go everywhere else now, but you couldn't go to parents teacher meeting. You miss everything. I'm for rate you, girl, then you come lick your mother. I'm for rate you.
Facts.
You mad? Crazy? I'm dry your mother blood? And I come back and tell lie. You say, oh, you do something. You say to the donkey, you do something where you whatever, you're not in the mood. Then you come back and say the woman lick up in the wall when you can't hear when your blood clot but abuse the woman. You
literal is so wicked.
You're wicked and them look all dirty big belly blood clot now the front where them take out big woman were over your blood clot page or whatever. I come act like say use innocent and yeah I'm about mother this and mother that. Where? You don't have money going on Airbnb. Go and go stay like when Jakes, you said Jakes with dead and you want to go on back in a Airbnb go live and get your place. Come out of the woman place. Take your toilet, lock off your light and come out. Boy, where your key there? Where your key there? Hey, Rosealee, trust me now. Hey. You have to go down before the year done, you know. Because I want care over the 2026 in a calm way. You have to go down in that area. Well, leave you in that area. Leave you in that area. Wicked. Eh? I true love her and whatever, you know, cause if I me, everybody like, me I take a scissors or something and chop off your one too. Me I cut it off too. Hey girl, you bring me or me bring you. You cut down this. Me I nobody now gonna have no light. And that me I gotta tell you.
That is it.
Nobody, you take down my light. When you're gone, you come back that shut down. Call the police a thief in light. That me I gotta tell you. So you fight war. Laverne for chop it down back. She couldn't in there have light and me and you and you and me have light and you take it down. Me would have roll a deck because me bring you, me I take you out back, girl. People
I'm not like how nobody else.
Oh, Laverne shouldn't go. Who's girl make my son
No,
never me I push my door and go in there, you a pay the bills here? And you bring me? What the fuck you come tell me so when me come home I watch me come home. See me come home, yeah.
That's why I say me not like me no rate nobody in a CV right now. Me no business when nobody wants to. Me no rate nobody in a CV. Cause ain't no way everybody know Laverne situation and see what go on. And just nobody and hear what go on and nobody not stand side that woman. They must make Rosealee a butter bruiser one.
Alright, my people, me know what to think. Make you watch some more.
A mother and I make it be seen by all like younger folks them in our community. What kind of example that she has set for the younger folks them in the community?
And life and top fighter come talk about the woman. The woman lick up her head on the wall, and Rosealee, you can't hear when
none of the adults
yeah,
right
put
now.
on the lick on the woman. Yeah, put on the lick like a Shanta Baba, yeah, blood clot beat. Eh? Like a demia lick.
No bad breed woman. Me know say Anna all on, but come on now. Me just say man, the whole on can stand together as mothers.
And you go over the woman life, the woman have her entertaining with the people, and you go over the woman life and whatever and talk about enemy. Look how much your people are your enemy. Destiny put body at your daughter mouth and class and whatever and do the things them and you still up and scream. Leave the woman, she a big woman. Better you avoid her. We talk about wait till she come home and when the woman are going to come talk, you are going to come put you on and come fight or whatever. Rosealee, you should have dropped on a blood clot knife and end up a public. Dead serious.
I'm going to say this right now, you know. Because I want someone to hear me too. You see which part me come from in a pen, nobody couldn't play them serious joke there. Nobody could, not even me. When me used to back talk my mother, people, woman them in the community come together and help discipline me. They not play them joke there. And that's why I must say when I say it takes a community for raise, it takes a village to raise on the kids. And Rosealee, see if you are for your community, for your village, and nobody now try to discipline and make sure you understand say, this way you do wrong. This way you do is out of control.
Way. Before that,
like, it just out of
my
control
mother's
now,
space. Me a come no sooner later. Me have the money now. Go in our Airbnb like where Diamond them a do. Come out. Me a take with myself. Cause woman before me disrespect you, I go on and me you war me a take with myself. And me gone. Wow, where you gonna you stop from? You understand? Me a take with myself. Your man put my hand on my mother and class up the woman how much old she this and that and all kind of thing. Rosealee for go me narrate you no day, no time. God will know where I do me so I make you so cause you have a dirty heart.
Allah, but big woman a true thing?
What?
See what bad big woman said in the comments. She said she pay me one of them $40,000 for analyze me.
Analyze who?
The girl she has said Rose try to pay somebody to analyze her.
Well, me not expect nothing good from Rosealee. If Rosealee treat her pitney them so. First of all, we not got reason we don't know. Alright? My pitney them get take when them in the neighborhood, right? And them, alright, me go leave the girl yellow for just make them sleep around there. But Shanta, see the money I go braid up your ear. Barbara go trim. Shanta, when you bring round the clothes them and wash them. Shanta, my cook, when you come for some food. When you come for some food. You understand? You can't do some half things off a camera cause them system is not like America where you understand I watch or whatever. You can't do things off a camera and make your pitney them happy. And you not do nothing. Nothing. Look while you talk about you go look for them cause little girl get whatever. A rum you carrying in your bag and cigarette. You's a bum. He's a crackhead. A big fat crackhead. That's what you is. The little girl done show Jakes and the little girl and everybody pan waiting in the seat. And Jake should run with it first. Move and go. Little girl say your body flat, you know, no body.
Kids are always talking truth. Kids are always gonna say
like your body flat. Me never say you know no body. Your body flat. Other Shanta say your body flat. You know no. You understand? Rosealee is a spiteful girl. And she was the breadwinner and she deal with the man away. All 12 o'clock, 11 o'clock, you just a cook little chicken and rice. The chicken and the rice raw. And whatever. Come now, you have picked the
hold on then, Tadis. Let me say something to Chev real quick there. Chev, let me just give you a perspective right now. You see right now in the foreign, with all the ice issue right now, everybody afraid of ice. And the same thing are going right now, right? Where there's basically set Trump at it done, right? And him set out him and them also. But let me tell you something. It's a few of them against many. You understand? The whole community can come together and push back, because that's exactly what they've been doing for the past couple of months over here. So when Una said Rosealee Yaad it done, brother, when me I hear stuff like that, it still doesn't make any sense to me. A one done against the whole community. It's literally one person against 50, 60 against it. You're telling me that one person that has much power against that many people?
Licky. Rosealee a lick out him bat and a suck him out than there. I'm like it. And I mind him and him family them.
I'm just saying that if everybody is fed up, truly fed up like how the rest of us is fed up of the nonsense. It was not supposed to can come together to tell her that she need to chill. But do not tell me that she have that much power against all those many people in the community. She can't tougher than everybody. Rosealee cannot be tougher than everybody, and that's the one thing yeah.
Oh, Rosealee just get this hype on TikTok a few days ago.
Literally.
How quick Rosealee becomes down in the community.
That's exactly what I'm saying. Like how she got that much power in the short amount of time that she's been on social media. It don't make no sense. Media. That don't make no sense. One girl not tougher than everybody in a sea view.
One thing with me can't talk, cause Rose or none or come along them can't beat in my chest. And that's on God.
We don't know that's what I call her, Baba. We other said she had dad, so we don't do.
No, I say she had done.
And what if people say she had done? So me no know. Me just repeat what the people them say. If she had done, she had done. Shoot.
On himself.
I like me want to cut off tonight. When she go live, she not in the purple house, she in a different house. The girl live miserable and unhappy, and the boy where she rate or whatever will live alone and say she can't even go over there go stay. Which man me I come big up and you can't take me out of my blood clot misery. Eh? But if still in it.
All that me no hear not where the woman me no hear not where the woman say wrong. The woman tell her say she figure her man yard. Akim is her man, she must go her man yard.
My mother give me trouble and my man alone. Me I pack up 2 little pieces of crouches and me gone.
Exactly about the number. But me need to get one picture with outer door of the house. Who can go up on the FYP and get one picture with outer door of the house and send it come give me. Me I try find one when she and Jexa fight outer door the night with the board. Think of outer door them did them man. Or the boy with true believer did a video outer door the house the night. Who can find the live when True Believer did a video when Rosealee did outer door a fight? Me need a screenshot of the yard for sure JPS which yard them a go. Oh my God, chat will help me out. Who can get the picture with outside of Rosealee Yaad? So with JPS can know which house them a go. Cause me have to make JPS go cut off your teeth in light. You can't cut off light by your mother.
My people, me not go tell you no lies still, you know. Some of them people, yeah, me not lie. Them too invested in a Rosealee life, you know. Yeah, man, them too invested in a Rosealee life, you know. Big woman thing. Let me know all the thing. And another thing with people, whoever Rosealee appear, how much money for analyze somebody, them people, them need for just go give them 3 points. You see me I say, because them not live for nothing at all, and them don't know the value of their life. You see me I say, because first of all, if you go analyze a person, you going to need a tool. The most likely tool where them normally use is a GUN. And if them hold you with a GU, not that where them are, the money where them are give you, that can't even buy a GUN. Firstly, right? Secondly, I know, suppose you go analyze a person, you're there on the run, you know. That can't even hide you out for a week good. You see me I say, then if them hold on upon you, you can't even pay the first payment while I have to come talk to them for you get bail. You see me I say, then all the rest I the thing I will go. When you pay a lawyer fee, plus you take care of yourself. You see, say them a idiot? Boy, may I tell you, people make me know what to think, make you watch some more.
And then have the TV light for yourself. No, me make JPS go take off first a light. Guys, come now chat, come now. We need a picture.
Baby, Bobby, where were you? I never like it when you left me and gone. Bobby, where?
Guys, we need to get a picture with the outside of the house. Yeah, but lock up the mother. Man, them lock up the mother. Them not lock up the mother, Rosealee. Them are gonna lock up. We have make sure we report it and tell them, say, first chat, we need JPS, I go give her. Wait, we need to tell JPS, say, first we need to make JPS know, say, our mother did her name Laverne and our mother no righted. And a Rosealee thief delight. And anything she tell our mother to say, our mother we say it because our mother no righted. We need to make JPS know, say, she's in charge. And she have a mother there when no sensible. We need to make JPS know, say, one lady in the house named Laverne when not too righted and anything she tell the lady to say, the lady will say it and she is in charge. Make them know say Rosealee make the boy them thief the light. The woman no righted, she can't do them something there and give out them power there and give them order there. So I have to make the report good and make the JPS them know say, she have a mother in the house when I write it upstairs and anything she tell the mother for do, the mother will do it. Make we get a picture with the house. We need a picture with the house. We need to put that in place one time. So when we are reported to JPS, we put Laverne safety first. We have to make them know say Laverne upstairs is not right and anything Rosealee tell her to do, she will do it. Because she not righted. Alright guys? For the people them where just a company live and I get the number. Let me give you about the number. The number is 1-888-222-555-777. 6 Kingsford Boulevard, Kingston, Jamaica. Maybe you can call other JPS, but that's at the headquarter one. Them open 24 hours. Guys, we need to put the report in place good. We need to make them know say the mother not righted. So in case them go there, them don't arrest the mother. We don't need to put that in the report. Yeah, the number is 1-888-222-555-777. We don't have to make them know say a thief in light they there. Right? So Rosealee cut off, a thief in light they there, Rosealee cut off the mother side of light. So we are send JPS today go take off the rest of light. If our mother can't use the thief in light, she can't use it either. Come on, chat, come. Come on, guys. We need a picture with the house. So we can email and send them the exact house where them are go. We need a picture chat with the house. We need a picture with the house chat. Come on, my group. Come on, group. Come on, group. My group them. Come on. Work, guys. Work. Check the FYP. There's a video when True Believer. Alex True Believer did out a door a video the house one day. True Believer did out a door a video the house. When she did out a door a course. See if you can find a video on the FYP and get a picture with the house. So we can get to email the picture. Come guys, come. Come guys, we don't need to call JPS. The people when they are Jamaica, come. It's easier to call a Jamaica too. Easier if they are Jamaica. Just dial the number. Just call JPS if you're at Jamaica. Call JPS if you're at Jamaica. Your mother can't use the thief in light, you can't use it either. That's a law. Come, guys, come. That's a law. Guys, come, make we work. Where the
me never see she sick, so. At my time, she never sick so yet, bro. She never see Diamond sick yet. I always tell her, I say she trapped. Yes, if she call and say, yo, Ray, she want to go a doctor. She not rate it. Hot like a fire, dog. I ran them a tremble. Them a tremble. That's how sick she is, you know. Yeah. She can't give me the key and I saw her and them a tremble. She not have no strength at all in her, bro. I hear you, boy. Could be the same for me. That's why I'm not even itch or waste no time, bro. Could be the same fucking thing for me, dog. That's why I'm not even itch or waste no time. You see, Fran, she call me and say, yo, feel like she a drop down, she want to go a doctor. I'm not even itch, bro. Cause a girl, if nothing happen to me, dog, but too bad, she a roof. Them a come for my rescue, dog. When I came, they crash off a bike. Never call none of them. They just show up. Understand what I say? When my brother did crash off a bike, I went last month, bro. A Diamond Rose that me see pop up at hospital and them stayed the whole night until the dog come out. You see it? Yeah, bro. So if anything for happen to you, two of them, bro, same thing. I run go to them rescue and make sure say they alright, dog. From last night, me never come back for her, you know. But yes, it's true, Christmas close, police like a motherfucker up on the road. So me have to do it as soon as in the morning. Me could make it come up here last night. But me say chat, I should text me say, yo Ray. Don't me get panic, bro, not even my face me no wash. Me brush my teeth though, cause you know me not go road without brush. Them ya. Me brush my teeth them though, but it matter. The whole time me a drive chat, see me ya. Me have to throw the cologne and everything and roll on and everything in the car. But just beard, not even wash my face, cause you know, can't no beard and go around the doll. I joke thing that can't no beard and go around the doll, so I take one of them.
The people, me wish Diamond a speedy recovery. You know what I mean? Tell me what you think in the comment section. Jaja.
Quick eye shaft there, boy. 5 minute, but not judge me. I yes me that part. 5 minute, but you see me? Yes, so never have no time for spray on the roll arm nor the cologne, so I just take up everything and fling in the car. While me and forward at them time, they see me stay on me. Alright then. When me reach up here, she lay down flat on the bed. So she weak, she could even come pull the gate. Me have a bus on her yesterday. Jump the fence. Then me jump on the next fence again. Then me walk all the way around at the back door. Me know she always left open at morning time. At 2 fence, me have to jump again.
There is somebody in your situation and your position. Yes, when me talk, it will have no vex when Sky Diamond talk because Sky Diamond talk facts. Rosealee, you're in no position, no farmer shape, no farmer size. Because nobody was sick. You're an oversized beast. You're over fucking size. Rosealee, you're an oversized bitch. Me and you same age, you're oversized drunk crow. You're not in a no position, no size, no fucking shape. Focus nobody about sickness, bitch. Because you're oversized. You can't catch heart a fucking attack anytime you rate where your blood clot go. You can't have a diabetes, right? Blood clot, no one don't even know. As an oversized bitch, me honestly think you're unhealthy. You sit down pan live every day, smoke cigarette, drink rum and cuss. You can't healthy. And it's just the fucking truth. And when me talk, people vex. You're not in enough farmer size or bumbo clot shape for cause nobody was sick. I use no sickness against no girl. Because me can't put my head pan the black Rosealee. You know healthy. You can't healthy a bumbo clot Rosealee. Oh, you have to use sickness cause blood clot people and you're not healthy bitch. You're overweight. You're overweight. Is the truth? Me and you I see him here drunk or you're overweight. At 130 me wear. 130 me blood clot we a bitch and we I see him age. If you want we get it technical. Bitch is a overweight beast. You is a overweight beast. I'm not ask for you to know what your medical record look like and you no go doctor. Me never yet hear you say on live say guys, you know that today is my day to go to the doctor. I'm going to the gyno, you know. Your pussy supposed to stink. Me not think you ever got a doctor yet go see what going on there underneath. I don't think you ever take a bumbleclad pap smear. You don't even know if you have womb cancer. Rosealee don't know where going with you. You don't know if you have diabetes. You don't know where the blood clot you sit down pan that chair there. You don't know where you sit down pan that chair there. No mama bumbo where you sit down 365 blood clot there. Drink liquor and bumbo clot smoke and LT. And you not eat blood clot LT. You not eat LT. Nobody can tell me say you blood clot LT. So you can't cause nobody was sick. At least the bumbo clot woman sick and she know she in her bed and get her medication, her blood clot treatment. You need for God doctor to get a full bumbo clot checkup and make sure say you good. Make sure say you know the pan bumbo clot live. One of them they are customer and skin out in front of bumbo clot way. Pray that not reach you pan live. At least the bumbo clot woman know say she sick. She in her bumbo clot bed. She accept her bumbo clot sickness and she a take her bumbo clot treatment. At least she know. You know what that mean? She can live longer than blood clot you because anything I go on with she know. She a take medication feed. She a bumbo clot treat it. You don't know what go on with you. Cause you big stink and careless. A skin out, you are going to skin out in front of the bumbo clot live and then you find out what happened to you. You don't even go come and bumbo clot pussy doctor go see if your pussy healthy. As a bumbo clot baby mother. I use sickness cause people know my class and no thinking blood clot. Them a tell me feel live good we don't know me I know a co-worker. A co-worker me bumbo clot. When you do no slackness and me see it me I identified. When you can squeeze through me tight bumbo. In chat, Rosealee accused the woman about sickness. And she sit on pan live every day. Give me a cigarette. Give me a cigarette. Where give me a cigarette. Where you don't even eat LT. You don't even eat LT. And I wake up in the morning and have like a breakfast and like a fruits. You don't even eat LT. Rum and cigarette right through. Then you accuse people about sickness. Go finish here with the woman I say. You, yeah, true.
At the rate where Rose ago, Rose to be on a leash, tie in her house, and hold like a little pit bull. If when Rose go, Rose have to get in a fight as a grown adult. At the rate where Rose
me not hear the woman say nothing wrong. No, me not hear the woman say nothing wrong. See, I go about the woman. Happy wife, big up your bumbo clad self. Big up yourself.
Well, my people, me see Rosealee stand up over there and how she used to look in at the chair. She don't look that way no more. It look like she had take better precautions when it come to her health. You see me I say? So right now she not that healthy 100%, but I do think that she are moving in that direction there. Although she a drink and smoke every day, you see me, maybe she a make better choices when it come to like food and them something there. You see me, so let me know what you think and make you watch some more.
You can use sickness cause the woman. Your big stinking blood, diabetes, bumbo clot. You don't even know if you have diabetes. You don't even know if nothing go on with you cause the blood clot, woman. Me don't know why me even shock or surprised. And you just bust up your mother face. Why me even shock you cause the woman about sickness and you, big cow, just bust up for your mama face. You just bust up your mama face for TikTok kind. Eh? You just bust up your mama face for 40,000 TikTok kind. Yeah, come for the blood clot. Man, Miss Dose, let me tell you something, Miss Dose, stop make your video.
I just hope so the parents them at St. Thomas prep school what intention this whole cow have to leave her mother yard? When she go buy one car and she not a license. But why she not move in with Akim? It was disgraceful to hear how Laverne run around her place when the police them and she depend live. What intention?
Imagine that. When the woman tell, which lie the woman tell, it's embarrassing, big old cow like you. We are pay $100,000 for year. $300,000 you are spending in one night. For piece of chapalin over your head. When they say cabana, you spend $300,000 for piece of chapalin over your blood clot head and don't have grocery in your house. The woman not telling a lie. Who I spend $100,000 for piece of chapalin over their head for a couple hours. And don't even have 1 pound of rice, 1 pound of flour, 1 pound of chicken back, 1 buckle of oil in them house. Rosealee. Rosealee are the only girl we know that on the app. Don't even have ice in her house. Come on, blood clot water where you put in a freezer. All a bridge light. Me get to understand say a thief in like Rosealee have round there. And she cut it off from Laverne side, run a Laverne room. Thief in light they have round there and Rosealee cut off the thief in light from run a Laverne room. So Laverne not have no light round her room. The woman mother house, the woman house. And imagine, you're not even string the house and have running light in there, not thief light. And you cut off the woman, the light pan Laverne round there. When me fans them they were Jamaica, we have to call JPS today. We have to call JPS today. Me have to go send out the address in my group. I want to send JPS round there. Like how she cut off the light pan Laverne, it don't make no sense no light today. We have to call JPS and tell JPS they are thief in light. They run a Rosealee. Let me make sure I couldn't get the address. We have to. Who in my group, they are Jamaica. Let me go up on Google, go get JPS number. You cut a thief in light round there, you cut off the thief in light pan Laverne. You can't have no light if so be it. JPS. JPS in Jamaica. We are send JPS run a blood clot, Rosealee Yaad, with the thief in light around there. Me tell you say more when you come about me and about leave Rosealee, I more leave this, I add, and me go, you know, alright. Guys, see JPS number, yeah, make up on Google, JPS. Monday to Thursday. No, I need to type in JPS in Jamaica, wait. Alright, the one that they are Kingston, the one they are 24 hour. The one they are 24 hour. But oh, it has show me 1888. Now 1876 if you show Kingston Boulevard. A number when me get is 1888-222-55577. I don't know why me get that number. Then 1876 me fear get. Now 1876 me fear get for Jamaica. Or toll free. We are gonna call JPS. Me gonna send out Rosealee address in the group where she live at Seaview. We are going to call JPS and we are going to make JPS know say, we are going to give them our full name because we have to give them our right name. You know, when you deal with government people, you can't give them TikTok name, you have to give them our right name. So you have to give them your right name, our right name when you call blood clot JPS. So them know which part they are.
And she did, if you know, say, alright then, you know, say, I was humiliated and I embarrassed him on internet and I pulled my gun on him. So she need to apologize to you and fix things.
You just do it in life.
That is good.
My mother fought over. My mother even that cried. Mother said she like how we talk together all these years and isn't it so? Yeah, so we just sleep and life apologize to each other. Isn't it?
God. Jabas me want you. Jabas me want you. Spend some money for you. What's up, your mama Peasy? I was batty boy this. I want my name Peasy.
On the phone I did.
Decline. Me the idea why you never want to add me, but you see 5,000 people over here want to add me now. Don't add me. Oh. And darling, don't listen to the music, to the media. All your man, I your man do or not do. No make them tell you nothing. It was still young and no fresh and I do nothing. No make nobody tell you about the media. I don't do no one blood clot, don't live on no life.
Oh, Jarvis, I don't care about the media. I'm petty.
No make nobody tell you to leave your man, girl. And no make nobody tell you to leave your woman, youth. Everybody find beauty. Everybody find beauty. Eh?
I already told them if they want to take him, come take him. They gotta take me too. I'm not going nowhere.
Let me tell you something, darling. Nobody really want him down here, darling. I'm gonna tell you the truth. I don't really want a hot man like that way. No girl want to do. No, Eldin over there for yourself. I feel to tell you the truth. Nobody really want him down here, darling. So listen up. I hear a cup of tea that, darling. So you just go and drink your tea, and him go and drink you. Because listen to me now. You're not for yourself when you come on to them or something. You're safe. Him just like to flirt, and that's it. And you need to stop. The woman says she not left you. The woman says any girl come and take it to her now. So you up for that, darling?
Oh, long as they got money.
Eldin, see that good girl. A good girl, yeah. Eldin, I mean, she have money, you know. Eldin, she used to go give you a big gift, them. Yeah, boy.
Charlie was tired. Jabas no easy, you know. Jabas say no man, no want the dog down here. People, they let me know what they think. We'll watch a bit more and then we're going to end this.
Eldin, do you not listen to people here, Papa? You don't listen to people who go and do the blood clot thing and make it work. Because I have to, right now, me the on the side, they have to work. Got me the on the side a while ago, you know. You never see my favorite one in your video, them. You know, see the Jabba's favorite, is it? You see, don't you? I stitch, me never stitch up here. I didn't plan to stitch it. But God no love sweet. Right now, I feel love. Me no love, you know. Me no love and me I see love right as right now. You see black and yeah, I love. Pull gun pan boy I love. War off I love that do them something there. Hate no do them something there. Hate make sure take her plane go back and find and black and deal back with you. That I hate. I love bring come jealousy.
I see him thing my mother say.
Yes.
Same way I say no. I see him same as how you say it basically. As some mother said, look what me I say it and I have to John and mother said that.
Who can life you can? I come from Canada, Moisha. Moisha, just move your blood clot and go, yeah, girl. You myself put me up on the DP, my youth. When I ask you shot me and I put me up on the DP, if I don't look somebody. Or I'm going to know. We don't stick it on the head. I mean, I want to make no matter a bad balance to sort himself, you know, LD, you know. Yo. You know, I want to see all on the power and whole 3-way dinner date. Dime Rosealee and you. You think it work good? What do you think?
But if you do it all same, I know.
You look sad though, you can't cheer up yourself now, you look sad.
I feel like more circle back, I come off a life and circle back.
Bro, you look sad. Hello, darling. Darling there. Cheer up your man here. Him sad. Go cheer him up now. Give him a nice, make him go bed. Give him a nice go rub down massage and do the things that make him bring back life to him and then revisit the life. You hear?
I hear you.
Yeah, man. Bring a little life back to him, man, because his energy low and he's sad for true. I know you can do this, man. I know you know the things them. Give him a nice go rub down and massage, make him feel back rejuvenated. And just, you know. Yeah. So, Elena, go and do what you do. But they are cheerful. No? In time, he come back a foreign and the relationship thing gone back to normal. Me and you know no blood clot friend. Okay, you can't team my mouse, I can't team neither. No? There.
Big up yourself, Jabaz.
Darling, give him a little chups on his jaw there. I see sound no good. Give her back a chups no LD, you know.
Chacha no.
I have a blood clot problem. I see if you have some smoke. I have a problem. Kiss back your man on her job. Alright. Una run things and out. Alright, circle when you come back.
Big up yourself, Jabaz.
Alright.
Does you know?
Can't believe this. I have to find somebody else to do my damn nails.